Are you looking for the cleanest hydration product on earth? Well, look no further. There it is, guys. mHydrate. This is an unflavored hydration product that uses minerals from the ocean. We have our world-class sea salts inside of here with an ocean concentrate. And the ocean concentrate, we're able to raise those electrolytes. So as you can see by the electrolyte numbers, bam, we're hitting everything ideally. Those ratios are exactly what we want. This is an unflavored product, so you can add whatever you want to it. I know a lot of you out there are DIYers, and you like to add your own little jizz and your jazz. Well, now you can do that with mHydrate Unflavored. We are gonna be launching some new flavors, and as you guys know, we had some issues with our first launch, with our first flavors, because I was using fruit juice powders. It's not gonna work, guys. It gets clumped up, it's just not gonna work. Unless we wanna add stabilizers, unless we wanna add things inside of it that everyone else does to their products, it'd be the only way we could make that product work. So we scrapped that product. And you've got unflavored now, and I'm gonna be on the search. I'm gonna be on the search for fruit juice powders or other fruit powders. I'm actually gonna stay away from fruit juice powders, and I'm gonna try to get some good flavors in there. No natural flavors though. I'm not gonna do it, guys. I'm not gonna add natural flavors to it. And by the way, we probably will add a little bit of monk fruit to some of those other formulas. Our monk fruit's completely different than any monk fruit that you've ever had on the market. And if you would like to try that out, you can. You can try that in our M protein, but we will be launching it probably in a few of our other formulas. But I just want to note that. I know a lot of people are scared of monk fruit, and you should be, because most of it's cut with erythritol, and that stuff's garbage. And actually 98% of the market is cut with erythritol when you have a monk fruit extract. Ours is an organic, 100% pure monk fruit extract. So anyways, just want to take some time to talk a little bit about that as well. But here we are, guys. mHydrate, unflavored, no clumping, no issues. You can add whatever you want to it if you want to jazz it up with a little bit of taste, or if you like that electrolyte kind of salty taste, then bam, it's there, right there for you guys. This is a pure product. There's nothing inside this product that you would find in a typical hydration product. There's no natural flavors, there's no stabilizers, there's no silicon dioxide, there's no citric acid, there's no bullshit inside this product. This is literally just minerals from the ocean. Everything is heavy metal tested, microplastic tested. Is it 100% free of heavy metals? No, because it's not refined salt, it's unrefined salt, and that's what we want. Why? Trace minerals, but it's industry low heavy metals, guys. And if you want to see our C of A's, we'll give you guys our C of A's that are from a third-party lab. We don't own the lab. We get the raw materials, we send it to a lab, we get those numbers back, we give those to you. So there you go, there you have it. mHydrate Unflavored on the website now. Give it a try. Let me know how you like it. God bless.